Here you go. Oops. I'll pick it up for you. You cute little thing. He was up on my porch. Hi, here we go. But I wasn't there to be able to get him his peanut. There you go. There's your peanut. Come on, come get your peanut. Yeah, he came up on the porch, but I was on the phone and I didn't get a chance to give him his peanut. There's your peanut. Yes. Oh, let me see if I can get this without the branches on it. There you are. That's alright. It's just me. So eat your peanut. You're gonna come up on the porch in a little bit when he always comes up to the porch, or she, to get a peanut. And he almost comes into my lap to get it. But of course, whenever I'm out there, I don't have my camera. But yeah. I had a few more days when I got the camera, and he comes up to get his peanut when I'm sitting on the porch. I'll take a picture, but for right now, there he is. He loves his peanuts. Alright. Oh, you want another one? Well, I'll have to get another one, but that'll be another time. Bye-bye.